Relax.
I can't, literally can't.
What started as a routine flight home quickly turned into complete chaos. 2 sisters were removed from a plane, a gate agent was allegedly assaulted, and police body cameras captured every moment. Here's what happened.
Okay. I went down. I went stay over here. I have anxiety.
She has anxiety
And depression.
Do you need medical attention?
Yes.
Is it possible you can get off on the way for mid-20s? She's having hyperventilation problems. Conscious breathing.
Okay.
There's a cop here right now.
Okay. Stay right here.
All right, I will. I get my dad's my whole.
Okay.
No, you don't even say that.
Right in front of.
Yeah, that guy pushed her
Relax.
to the ground and she fell.
Let me get everything situated.
Right. Yes.
Okay. Because everybody's yelling. Everybody's talking to you
I'm
only
sorry.
one person.
I graduated.
She
graduated tomorrow, so she's just trying to get
Do you have an ID?
We have video.
You have an ID?
Yeah. We have video. We have
Okay,
video and
let me get ID.
Relax.
I'm good idea. She's got so much anxiety too, so maybe you better talk to me. I'm literally.
You stay here. Don't say anything. Don't do anything.
I went with that. Give me your ID. Here. She did not do anything wrong. I'm telling
And who is she to you?
She's my sister.
And you are?
That's my aunt. My dad works for the.
Relax.
It doesn't matter.
My whole thing is, where exactly did all this occur?
Wait, no, wait. We were on a plane. She had to use the bathroom.
And they asked her, they go, "Are you intoxicated?" She goes, "Yeah, I had a few drinks," and that was it.
Okay. Do you have a boarding pass or anything?
Yes,
She does.
Can I see it?
Yeah, where's the boarding pass?
Wait a minute.
I told her she's got really bad anxiety, so you gotta let her come home. I'm literally shaking.
Just lean against that for me.
Okay, wait a minute.
You want me to go against
Yeah,
her?
just lean against
Stay
that.
right there. Listen to what he
You have a boarding pass?
They gave us swim tickets because they put us next
That's
to
fine.
each other.
I just still need the document.
I want that. I know.
Okay,
Wait.
Dad was here. You need to relax. We're here. We're going to take care of you.
You're fine.
So, let's get their story real quick.
Push me.
And we go
Push me.
and talk to
He said
these
it because he
people
was
over
gay.
here.
It's fine.
So
No. Okay.
10-4 so far. We have one and possibly another. Give me 1 second. Do you need medical attention?
Yeah.
How old are you?
26.
10-4. I have another one. She's 26. Leg pain. She's conscious breathing. Alright, so and is your leg?
My knee.
Okay, so do we have any witnesses? Okay, you are the person that was dealing with, so what happened? Okay, so what happened? And do you have an ID? I'll get that in there. So please, just explain to me what happened. The best way you can.
The flight attendants informed me that the girl was drunk. She was in the restroom
And
throwing
which
up.
one do you know?
The youngest one, the little short
Not
one.
the one with the tattoos, but the other one, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So go ahead.
When they informed me that she was intoxicated, I had to call a GSC, which is my supervisor.
28.
He showed up. They started screaming. They were in the aircraft. I got asked to call you guys because they weren't leaving.
Okay.
She finally left the jet bridge. I was kind of following them out a little bit. I told him to retract the jet bridge. She turned around, got in my face, and said, "Fuck you, you fat bitch." I said, "Thank you." She turned around, or when she was facing me, she pushed me.
Okay.
And then turned around, and then the sister came up and shoved me again, which I tripped over a Liz.
So both of them hit you?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I tripped, and then my shoe, and I fell on the ground.
Okay.
It was the short, skinny one first that pushed me, and then the bigger, her sister, pushed me right after.
Okay. And it was all stemmed from the facts of you were saying that they was drunk on the plane, or somebody said
I didn't even say anything to them.
Okay, so what was the whole thing that happened in
They
the
were
plane?
intoxicated.
Okay, and who approached them about the
I
intoxication?
called DSC. I talked to them to take her outside because she was already at the door. I was outside and I talked to you. Because I told them that if you're intoxicated and then she started screaming, right? She was like,
She did.
screaming, stay soft, siding with me. Then she went inside the aircraft. She didn't want to get out of the aircraft. She went to sit down again. You have to come out. She was like,
Called her sister, and her sister was sitting in the back, and then her sister ran forward, and then they both started yelling at
Okay,
everybody.
who's seen the girl push her?
I did. I saw both of them push her.
Are you willing to write a statement?
I am. Yeah.
Okay, do you have your ID with you?
My badge.
ID, badge, either or?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Go to the bathroom, they stop you, they
Yes.
say you need to be escorted to the bathroom.
Yes. They
What happened
they
from
sent
there?
me escorted off the bathroom. So I take Zola, and I graduate Stockton University literally tomorrow. And I'm like I got
So you need to be escorted out of the bathroom?
yes.
So
Yes,
you're
sir.
already inside?
Yes.
Okay, so
And soon as but they didn't bother me until when I was in the bathroom.
okay, so then what happened?
So I went out and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do some scene. They're like, oh, you need to go out the bathroom, and I was like, what? Like why? And I was like, okay, like that's like whatever. And then like I don't give any. My boy literally like when I tell you that my boyfriend is a state trooper,
I
and that
understand.
my boyfriend had literally like been with him for 5 years.
I understand.
He's a state trooper. They begged me to take Stafford test, which is the
I
township.
got you. I'm just
Yeah.
I'm focused on what happened with the pushing and
Pushing.
the
So-
disturbance.
So I was like, okay, like I'm just gonna go to to my seat because I'm like, this makes no sense. Like I'm not like I'm literally not trying to give any harm. Like yes, I had
Okay.
a couple drinks, but like I'm not trying to give any type of harm.
Okay.
Type of thing. Plus, my whole family has been law enforcement. Like that's my oldest
Okay.
sister. We're 5. There's my brother, so
I
law
understand.
enforcement officer. My dad works for the state PBA, which is the
I
police
understand, ma'am.
beneficial.
I need to please stay on track.
Okay.
I understand your family's law enforcement.
Okay.
I appreciate them
Okay.
very much.
Yeah.
I need you to stay on track with me and just walk
Tell
me
you
step
why-
to
yeah.
step. What happened? Why
Sorry,
were you
sorry,
pushed?
sorry.
What was the escalation?
So I went to the bathroom and they're like, no, you can't get back in your seat. And I was like, why can't I get back in my seat? Like, I don't understand. Like, I'm not, like, because I had a couple drinks and I'm to Disney. Like, whatever.
Okay.
Like,
Did they say that to you? Or like
yes.
you're drunk or
yes,
whatever?
Yes.
Okay.
No, they didn't say I was drunk. They were like, you have to get off. And I was like, I don't understand why I'm getting off. Like, I have graduation. Like, I'm graduating forensic psychology.
I understand. So they're telling you've been drinking, you need to get off the plane.
Yes.
What happened next?
The next day I was like, no, like I'm fine, like I'm good, like I'm not gonna get sick or anything. Then he pushed me.
He pushed you
Yes.
how?
He pushed me, like I was like, so I'm coming off the plane. I'm just gonna reenact it like that way. He was like, no, you have to get off the plane.
To your chest?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and so he assaulted me in that way, and I was like, no, especially because it's my boobs, so like I can go further that way if you
Okay.
if you would want me to.
Okay. Are you guys? Did you guys witness everything?
They weren't there. I know exactly who it was on that plane.
Okay. So what do you guys need? Or you're just
I need a reporting pass.
Okay.
Get to write a whole report of
Okay.
what happened and all that.
Okay, do you Yeah, I can get it for you. More, do you have my phone?
Yeah, we need our boarding pass too.
Do you have my phone?
Yeah, who would get it?
It was
Flight attendant.
gate 13.
The flight attendants, I just know that it was a male. That's all I know.
Where was it? Inside the
He was
or-
right inside. When
No,
I got
I
off
know-
the bathroom and then we were in 12C.
No,
Or
I know-
13B.
I'm saying it was on the plane or inside the terminal?
In the plane.
In the terminal, is when the guy pushed her.
It was in the plane at gate 13.
On the plane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. I just want to
Is there a way for you to make paper copies with her?
I'll print it out for you.
Okay, relax.
It's fine. If the worst
Saying that
Let's
happened
stay
in
another
Jeffers?
night here and we'll fly home tomorrow.
They're saying it happened
it
on
just
the
sucks that.
She's saying it happened in Jeffers.
Okay. Did it happen on the jet bridge?
Yes.
So it didn't happen on the plane?
No.
So we followed
wait,
you.
was it jet bridge? No, so I went to the bathroom and then I came off and they're like, you can't get on the plane. And I was like, okay, like why can't I get on the plane? Like I'm fine. Like
This announcement for passengers.
I was drunk. I'd be like, okay, I don't want to fly. Like obviously, like I already have anxiety.
Okay.
They didn't even ask me if I had a couple
What I'm trying to figure out was
Yeah.
if it was like him trying to guide you guys out the plane,
No,
That's
or
my
he
next
intentionally
question.
pushed you guys.
No, it
Which one of the
was
two?
to my boobs.
Okay.
Yes. To begin with. I'm sorry because I understand.
So did he push you with the intent to hurt you?
Alright.
with ill intent.
He was just trying to get us off, out as fast as possible.
He was just trying to get you guys out.
Out as fast as possible.
fired up.
Okay.
Put my hands on my sister.
Okay, so she's saying one thing, you're saying one thing, she's saying one thing.
Well,
The problem that we have here is with battery like this.
What happened?
Oh, I thought he said praise the guy.
I did say pray.
I said we need some prayer right now.
I've been praying the whole time.
Can I fire right now?
What did he do?
He touched my boobs.
Procom 173.
He like got angry and like I mean even if it didn't seem like it. He pushed me.
Why did he want to push you?
He said I was intoxicated.
I'm sorry?
He said I was intoxicated.
And what else did he say? Did he say like,
Get off the plane.
okay. Is that why he pushed you?
Yes.
Yeah, so he pushed you, tried to get you off the plane,
Yes.
right? Okay.
But I went
And then what
said,
did you do?
Me? I didn't do anything as soon as I get assaulted by the side. Just listen to him.
Her dad's already here. Her father's already here. Maybe not.
I'm more upset about
Her
father here.
I will.
Probably when he was pushing you,
He touched my nipples. I felt more sensitivity in my nipples.
like you explained, he tried to push you off the plane, right? So probably in the process of doing
I
that,
wasn't trying to do any harm.
so probably in the process of doing that, he might have hit it by accident. He didn't mean to.
Well, let's do anything because I'm supposed to take a Stafford PD test. I don't want to do anything if I'm going to be a police officer.
already here.
Before I
So,
something.
We needed you.
do you need to go to the hospital?
Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay.
What problem you think you having right now?
I mean, I have anxiety disorder because of it. Had some harm.
Do you need to be on medication for
I
that?
am on medication, ma'am.
So did you take it?
Yes.
So you took it already?
Yes.
Do you need to take it again? No?
It's Zoloft. It's a SSRI, so
Okay.
it's
Where's
serotonin.
your pill right now?
Right now, it's in my carry-on.
Okay, you have your carry-on with
Yes,
you, right?
ma'am. But it's
Okay.
SSRI, so it's
Okay.
right here.
Where's Cordero? Right here?
I think it's or something like that.
Okay.
I'm also a psychology major. I'm going to school for counseling.
Okay.
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm supposed. I'm supposed to walk tomorrow, but
You guys been drinking?
I had a couple of drinks, but I'm literally supposed to walk for graduation. I'm a Division III
Just
athlete.
today.
Just today, but
Today.
I'm a Division III athlete.
Tomorrow, take care of
I
us.
used to. Yeah, it just sucks.
You're surrounded by a bunch of angels.
All right.
I am
They
all
might be
out.
carrying knives.
Trust me, I come from a police voice, law
Okay.
enforcement family.
They're angels.
Cut first.
We can go over there.
Cut first.
Sorry.
You with me? She's not going to the hospital. That was she said. Does she need to sign anything paperwork?
Here, you came in a car.
So,
Car?
where's your car?
He's downstairs too.
Okay. So one of you can take two.
carry ticket?
No, you can take two.
That's right. My thing is how we're gonna do that once we talk to this one.
Oh yeah. You both can take one down first, and then I and Gary will take this one down. You know when it's called?
Yes, your car right now. Yes,
Oh, that's terrible. Sorry.
Thank you.
Should I just type it?
Yeah, type on this first one and then sign on the second. You got it.
Yeah, I was about to ask her. She's in the middle. So. Underneath the chair.
And then can you sign just something close on that second?
Oh, that was fun. Sorry.
Any questions that we can answer for you?
No, is there a report made? Or not that you guys want to
We are doing the report.
Yeah,
Yes.
you are, okay.
Yes.
I just want a report made.
Yes. You want?
Okay.
She good?
Yes, she's good.
Thank you all. Appreciate it. Hallelujah. Alright, you want to put your phone away?
Okay. Do I have a copy of the report as well?
In a second, okay?
Okay.
Your cousin. My cousin. Alright, you'll be detained right now, okay?
I am detained. Why am I detained?
I'll let you know in a second.
Why am I detained?
Nikki, out on.
Why am I detained? Okay.
What? Wait, why?
Okay. Can I go to the picture? Okay. Calm down. Wait. Get yourself together.
I'm sorry.
Can I give her this chair?
That's okay. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, my dad. I'm Kevin Christopher Lyons.
Unlock it.
Can you come away? I'm detained, sir.
She's on.
No, I
Let
want
you
to
know.
know.
Hold on.
No, I want to know now before you do it. Why am I under arrest?
Hold on. Give me 1 second, okay?
No, that's not fair. Why am I under arrest?
Detained first.
Okay, why?
Just been arrested.
Why?
Let you know.
Why?
Alright.
Why?
Based on the investigation, we are charging you for the battery. Okay?
For what?
Battery.
What does that mean?
Okay, wait a minute. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. I'm calling Stuart. I'm calling Stuart.
Stop before we get to Stop. Put it in.
Okay.
Be cool. Here.
Ma'am.
Give me your phone.
Back up.
Give me your
Back
phone.
up.
More. Take a breath.
Back up.
I'm sorry.
Thank you. Stay like that.
Okay,
Stay cool.
I will.
Thank you. Just stay cool.
Could you handle that? Okay.
Yes, we'll get all the information from your parents. We'll let them know. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay. More. Take a breath.
Stand up.
Hey, stop.
Stand up.
Stop.
More.
You were doing good.
I don't need more.
All right, let's go.
I don't need more.
Let's go.
All right. I'm gonna take it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Back. Walk forward.
In the end, both sisters were arrested and charged with battery and disorderly conduct. However, instead of going to jail, they were accepted into Florida's pre-trial intervention program. After completing the program, the case was officially closed, avoiding a criminal conviction.